You're looking for a PC and you're not sure how to get it looking the way you want it to look, then give us a call, because we will help you all the way through to get something that not only matches what you need, as in being able to do the job you need it to do, but have it looking the way you want it to look. Because especially with RGB, it's a bit of a minefield, and getting everything to work together and sync together and look good is getting more difficult by the day.